lovely people, to the second performance of our stage show, which I'm sure you all are eagerly waiting to see. And that, therefore, your glasses are topped to raise a toast to the ladies. We invite you to sit back and relax as you immerse yourselves in this captivating presentation, proudly brought to you by members of the DGC Ladies section. Enjoy the experience as it unfolds, from Nari Shakti to Shakti, from silence to voice, for every era tells a story. We proudly present to you the reawakening of the Indian woman.
Times immemorial, poets, sages, and philosophers, and I'm sure many of you out there too, have wondered as to what a woman is. Her versatile personality, her mysterious charms have always troubled man's wisdom. Let us all go over the wheels of time. Let us journey over the wheels of time to when the woman was created.
Sweetness of honey and the smile of flowers, the peacock's pride and the tiger's courage, the roundness of the moon and the raging power of the storm. She was created, the woman.
Incarnate. She was Durga. Creative energy. She was all powerful. The universe was hers. She was beauty. She was love. She was pure. And she was sensuous.
The ideal woman, for she remained submissive and acquiescent even when rejected for an error not committed. Such an age presented a woman who was a wife, sister, daughter, and mother.
Society used her strength for the service of man, and so we have Sita, Savitri, and Yashoda, who epitomize the image of an ideal woman.
सीते, आज मुझे एक कठोर सत्य तुम्हें बताना है। पिता के वचन की मर्यादा के लिए मैंने 14 वर्ष का वनवास स्वीकार कर लिया है। अयोध्या और सब कुछ छोड़ के मुझे जाना होगा। ये ही मेरा धर्म है।
प्रभु, वनवास केवल आपका नहीं, मेरा भी है। मुझे मत रोकिए राम। जहाँ आप हैं, वही मेरा घर है और वही मेरी अयोध्या है।
रुक जाओ सावित्री, ये मार्ग तुम्हारे लिए बहुत कठिन है, लौट जाओ।
धर्मराज, जहाँ तक मेरे पति जाएंगे वहाँ तक उनके साथ चलना मेरा धर्म है। पत्नी का कर्तव्य है कि वो अपने पति का साथ कभी न छोड़े।
हम तुम्हारी भक्ति से बहुत प्रसन्न हुए सावित्री। तुम कोई वर मांगो, पर सत्यवान के प्राण नहीं।
महाराज, मुझे और सत्यवान को 100 पुत्रों का आशीर्वाद मिले।
तुमने अपनी भक्ति और बुद्धि से हमें जीत लिया है। हम सत्यवान को जीवन वापस देते हैं। जाओ बेटी।
महाराज, तुमने फिर माखन चुराया? नहीं मैया, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। अच्छा, तो मुंह खोलो, मैं देखती हूँ। ये क्या है? पूरे ब्रह्मांड का दर्शन।
She lives in the forest, nurturing birds, adorning herself. Shakuntala marries King Dushyant and love blossoms. Sadly, due to a curse, the king forgets her and the ring is lost. Shakuntala is writing now love letters to her husband, King Dushyant. She now decides to go to the palace. Standing before the king, "Tum kaun ho?"
मैं तुम्हारी शकुंतला हूँ।
हम तुम्हें नहीं पहचानते। कोई निशानी?
ये है हमारी निशानी, अंगूठी। और कहाँ गई वो निशानी? महाराज, क्या एक अंगूठी खो जाने से आपका हृदय भी पत्थर हो गया? आप मुझे नहीं पहचानते? मैं आपकी शकुंतला हूँ महाराज।
Yet destiny prevails. Memory returns and love reunites. King Dushyant and Shakuntala are blessed with Bharat, an eternal legacy. We now see the women who immortalize their love for their preferred death to a life without their loved ones. He and Leila seem to preempt Tennyson, who said, "It is better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all."
कभी किसी का पूरा नहीं होता।
तो क्या रांझा, हमारी कहानी भी अधूरी रह जाएगी?
हाँ, अधूरी कहानियाँ ही अमर होती हैं।
हर जन्म, हर सांस, हर धड़कन में बस तुम ही तुम होगे मेरे रांझा।
object of man's desire. History has known many an enchanting Amrapalis and Anarkalis. As you see the tomb of Lal Kunwar, known as the Lal Bangla of Delhi Golf Club, Lal Kunwar fascinated the Emperor Jalandhar Shah with her beauty, her charm, and her music. Tonight, we have Lal Kunwar, who is rising from that tomb, who became the Empress, to charm our very own guests at Delhi Golf Club. For Lal Kunwar changed the very course of history. From the court of Emperor Jalandhar Shah, we take you to the court of Akbar. Anarkali is to be produced before the king. Zil-e-Ilahi Shahenshah-e-Hind Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar पधार रहे हैं.
गुस्ताख लड़की, तुम्हारी ये जुर्रत कि तुम हिंदुस्तान के तख्त और ताज का ख्वाब देख रही हो. सलीम तुम्हें मरने नहीं देगा और हम तुम्हें जीने नहीं देंगे अनारकली.
दीवारों में आप मुझे चुनवा देंगे शहंशाह, पर इन पत्थरों में दफन मेरी चीखें कहेंगी कि एक कनीज ने हिंदुस्तान के तख्त को चुनौती दी थी.
Women as devotees relinquish their queenly comforts in adoration for their Lord. Meera distilled the cup of poison, turning it into nectar. And we have Radha, who is enchanted by the melody of Krishna's flute. A melody that stirs her soul, drawn into a love that is both divine and human. In Radha we see surrender, a surrender that rises above passion and pain, love and desire. And in that surrender, Radha finds liberation that's pure and eternal. Society tamed a woman's pride, her independence and her strength. The metaphorical walls of devotion were the impenetrable curtains of Parda. Such women did not lack courage, for in times of crisis, they challenged man's authority. Rising to the hour of need, we have Rani Jhansi, who bravely led her soldiers against the British, displaying strength and resilience, yet unknown to man.
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। मैदाने जंग में मरना है, दुश्मनों से नहीं डरना है। झांसी की वारिस हूँ मैं, और झांसी की रक्षा करना मेरा धर्म है।
है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का हो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो।
Later comes the revelation. The woman asked herself, why have I become this humble creature of man's will? At the dawn of realization, the woman awoke to a new existence, to a new identity of her own. Thrusting aside the curtains of captivity, the modern woman breathes afresh in a newborn sense of freedom.
Miss Universe. Our model who was crowned Miss Universe and now shines as the UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador.
Fearless lawyer, the litigator who champions equality and advocates social justice. who's made it her life's mission to be the voice of the voiceless.
My Lord, I stand in court today not merely as a lawyer, but as a voice for those who were told to remain silent. Every pro bono case I take is a testament that the law is not merely ink on paper, it is a solemn pledge. It is a promise that no citizen will be denied dignity. Law is a promise that no dream will be dismissed because of whence it was born. My Lord, this journey has never been about one individual. It has been about justice, quietly sought, often denied, but never abandoned. So today, I say with all humility, this is not the victory of one individual. Victory belongs to all of us. Thank you.
And now, introducing our star sportswoman who has placed golf firmly on the global stage.
Wow, what a birdie! Let me now take you to Bollywood. We have our very, very special actor whose captivating performances continue to enthrall audiences all over.
Here is a visionary scientist who explores the hidden wonders of our mysterious planet.
Meet a philanthropist who has devoted her life to serving the underprivileged, championing the cause of social equality.
Our philanthropist was born into abundance. Every life she touched humbled her. She feels privileged to be a part of efforts that will bring about a change in our nation. She says, if I have more, it only means I must do more. It is what she believes in.
Here comes our investigative journalist, known for her daring sting operations, exposing corruption at the highest level.
Now we have the doctor. Here comes our dedicated physician who is a healer at heart, uplifting the ailing and providing dignity to the aged.
Let me now introduce to you to our trailblazing astronaut. who has been chosen to lead India's maiden human space flight, carrying the dreams of billions into the orbit.
And here comes the politician, introducing our visionary leader who is dedicated to championship the cause of our people and bringing meaningful change to our nation.
बहनों और भाइयों, आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, कल रहूँ ना रहूँ। आज मैं आप सबके सामने हूँ, कल रहूँ ना रहूँ। जिस दिन मेरे प्राण जाएंगे, जिस दिन मेरी जान जाएगी, उस दिन मेरे खून की एक एक बूंद, मेरे खून का एक एक कतरा भारत को मजबूत करेगा और महान बनाएगा। जय हिंद।
Behold, ladies and gentlemen, here are the modern women, our very own golfers, who are the leaders, innovators, creators, taking us towards the vision of Viksit Bharat.
Please put your hands together to welcome on stage our peer, who is the brilliant brain behind the show. It is with pride in our hearts, all of us, that we introduce Situ Puri. A keen and competitive golfer of the past several decades, Situ has not just conceptualized and scripted the show, she has infused it with a perfect selection of music, which contributed immensely to bringing the reawakening of the Indian woman to life.
Thank you, Soni. Thank you so much. I do feel humbled. But let me also say, no journey is created alone. The vision, behind this vision, stands someone who's been there throughout, shaping, fine-tuning every step that we took. Our choreographer, Kavita Seth, the guiding force in direction. She has not only been with us throughout, through each and every rehearsal, through each and every challenge. She has been the pillar of creativity and strength. I share this moment with Kavita.
Thank you, Situ. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Let me thank our music magician, Mr. Lucius. The lights, Mukesh. The stage, Gajinder. And now for our brilliant cast, starting with Rani Jhansi, Simran, Heer, Sonal, she's going to be our next lead. Soni, the lawyer, Sabina, the scientist, our very investigative journalist Suman, our Dr. Monica, Miss Universe Asmita, the politician Ritu, the astronaut Sonia, Savitri, Brinda, Sita, Simran again, but Simran Lakhanpal, Radha, Shakuntala, and the voice in the narrative. We have our own Kavita, Yashoda, Rohini, our actress, Shashi, and our philanthropist, Bubbles. And all this was created by our sportswoman, the one who hit the birdie, Amira. And Lal Kuwar, who came from the tomb right behind me. Sonvi. All this was created by the ladies section with Mala as our captain.
Setu, thank you so much. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed this evening as much as we have been performing. And I have to say that Setu Puri and Kavita Seth, she's a stage actress for the past many performers, and it's because of her wonderful feedback and inputs. She taught us all how to act. So we are here today to perform before all of you. And our super talented performers, stage performers, have worked tirelessly for many weeks to put this show together. So a big hand to all our performers on stage. They've done a wonderful job and made this into a grand success. We are not professional, but we have tried to do our best. Thank you so much. Thank you, Setu. Thank you, Kavita.
The bar is open, and thank you, each and every one of you, for your wonderful support. You really are the perfect audience, and we loved performing for you.
Of Blossom Kocher, who has very kindly given us these makeup artists to make us look even more beautiful on stage. So they have handed our makeup for us. Thank you so much, Blossom Kocher.
Captain, would you like to say something? Come on, Vikram.
You know, we had this show for the Ladies Captain Night, and a lot of people came to me and said, "Ki, we didn't get a chance to see it, so why don't you do it again?" And all the ladies here got after my life. We have to do it again, and therefore we did it again. Hope you all enjoyed it, and this is one amongst the many which we are going to continue doing. And all these ladies, I think except my wife, who are golfers, and she has now been made to start golf, and hopefully she'll be on the golf course very soon. So will I.